Maverick Harley-Davidson is rolling Sturgis. I'm Jesse James Dupree, and it's time for Rolling Sturgis 2022. That's right, your chance to win. Swing into the dealership today. Pick up your Rolling Sturgis voucher and register to win a brand new 2022 Road Glide Special, an incredible motorcycle. The Harley-Davidson Motor Company, Jesse James Bourbon, and the VFW organization, Veterans of Foreign Wars, all proud to come together to give you a chance to win not only a brand new motorcycle, but also a chance to win a trip to Sturgis, South Dakota, staying at the Full Throttle Saloon's Happy Hoyle Campground. It's going to be an incredible year this year. We got Blackberry Smoke, we got Chase Matthew, we got Tesla, and we got Jackal celebrating its 30th anniversary and giving away that brand new Road Glide motorcycle that could be yours. So swing into the dealership today, pick up your Rolling Sturgis voucher, be that big winner, and get all up in it, because that's what we're doing this year, getting all up in Rolling Sturgis. Pa-pow!